what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps, starting off with the updates. So as you know, we're still waiting for these Wu-Tang Dunks to release. The last Wu-Tang did release officially in 1999. This was a collaboration with the Wu-Tang Clan featuring the AKA black and yellow colorway. This shoe, you know, the original one, you know, they're going for like $50,000. It's crazy that a dunk will be costing that much, but we know that Nike is bringing back all these grails. So this is one that's supposed to be released sometime this month. We don't have an official date yet, but stay tuned to the channel and we'll let you know as soon as we know. You'll know. These are featuring in the original colorway, black and yellow dunks. It does have that Wu-Tang Clan symbol on the side. Let us know in the comments where you be going for these. If so, you already got a pair of Wu-Tangs in your collection. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these shoes came out from September 13th to September 14th. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So we did, on December 13th, we did have the Nike Foamposite Royal. And I thought the Foamposites were over with already, but these shoes all sold out. These Royals came out at a price point of $240, so I guess a lot of collectors still wanted these because these haven't been re-retroed in a long time, and they all sold out. So let us know down in the comments, Sneakerhead, were you able to grab your pair of these Air Foamposite 1 Royals? So what we got next, my brother?
Yeah, a Halloween collab, right? Just showing some love to Freddy Krueger, Jason, and Pennywise, right? Price point for all shoes were $75. Yeah, price point for these was $75. Right now, you just check your local retail stores. All sizes are still available, and it's a good time to cop them up. I mean, that price point is not too bad, and with Halloween being right around the corner, it'll be a nice time to snatch them up. But drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch them up.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Midnight Navy. It's a very nice colorway to me. I do like this a lot, but unfortunately, according to Nike.com, all sizes are remaining. I say again, all sizes are remaining. So I think the problem is, you know, the economy is, we're in a bad economy right now, and everyone just realistically, they know that Jordan 1s have been going on sale. So why pull the trigger at 180 when you can wait and he's going to drop, you know, bomb for 125 or something like that? We see it's a trend right now where all the Jordan 1s are going below retail. So Jordan brand has to fix the prices, I guess, to keep up with the demand and the bad economy. But if I was Jordan brand, I would go ahead and lock up the Jordan 1, put them in the boat. Don't bring no more out for a while. Maybe the hype come back, but we don't know. But if you are a Jordan 1 fan, this is the time for you because you should be scooped up all these pairs real easy. Let me know down in the comments. Sneakerheads, were you able to scoop you up a pair? And I ain't gonna lie, like if they go on sale, because you know my team is red, white, and blue, and that navy is my colors team. So I do really like these navies a lot. And I may pick me up a Jordan 1. You know, I'm not really a big fan of Jordan 1s, but you know, I gotta go with the prices. Can't be beat the prices. So might be moving into new silhouette. Jordan 1 High might be my new shoe.
Right. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.